The songwriting program in this area ranges across right up to Echuca, down to Mooroopna. For a majority of the teachers I'm working with, and they've almost been thrown into that role because that's what's needed to be filled.
One of the challenges we have in lots of regional and parts of Australia is recruitment of staff, and getting trained music staff is a real problem for us.
This program has been amazing. It has been exactly what I needed to start off in performing arts, not ever been in this area before as a specialist.
With the mentor teacher, you're actually teaching together and working through the lessons and that together, and she's there to support you and guide you and give suggestions.
I feel like I'm still learning, but I'm confident that I am able to teach music in a classroom now. My students are listening more, and I've seen within the last 3 or 4 weeks just a really big change on them being more engaged.
Some of the kids in the class there really value their music because they are able to engage and participate in ways that they haven't been used to.
It's really targeted some of the more troublesome kids that find literacy difficult and maths difficult, and in there's no pressure on them. They get to sing, dance, move around.
Through the songwriting program in this area, it's nice to be spreading the importance of arts to so many kids and so many teachers and schools.
The joy on their faces when they finally find that music in their life, they're just happy.